To enable and use Circle to Search in Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down until we find the home screen, and when you enter it, you can scroll all the way down and select System Navigation. After that, you should be able to find press and hold Home button to call out Circle to Search. You can then use the Circle button, click and hold it. This calls out Circle to Search, and you can use it in multiple different ways. So first thing is you can select the text. If there's any text on the screen, you can copy it, translate it to different language. It will also instantly perform Google search with that text if you select it. Alternatively, we can also click on images. That way it will take a screenshot of that image and perform also Google search with it. Then there's option to translate entire page. So if you click on this button, it allows you to translate from one language into another that you can select right here. You can also use this button to detect the music if it's playing in the background, and you can also use the Google, which will instantly perform a Google search with that entire screenshot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.